For today's video, we will feature my top 10 very easy, quick, and cheap Filipino plant-based recipes that you can buy or you can cook at the comfort of your home. And that will be under 50 pesos. Some think that eating plant-based meals is costly and time-consuming. On this video, I will show you that it's the exact opposite. Let's get started. Let's start with number 10, Gisadong Munggo or mung bean stew. It is a local dish in the Philippines that we commonly cook on Fridays. Mung beans are perfectly stewed and added with vegetables like bitter gourd leaves or coarse radish leaves, perfectly matched with tofu. A budget of 50 pesos for this dish can serve 2 to 3 people already. Next, number 9. Ginataang gulay or vegetable in coconut milk is a mixture of vegetables including squash, string beans, eggplant, lady's fingers that are sautéed and cooked with coconut milk. Here in the Philippines, you can buy the veggies in pack for 20 pesos and all are already chopped. This recipe will also cost you 50 pesos and will be shared by 2 to 3 people. Number 8. Chop suey. Chop suey is a dish in American Chinese cuisine or other forms of overseas Chinese cuisine. Here in the Philippines, we have a version in our household. We can buy a pack of veggies for 20 to 50 pesos and all are chopped as well, combined with carrots, cabbage, beans, chayote, and bell pepper. All you need to do is to stir fry and season them according to your taste. Number 7. Ensaladang talong or eggplant salad. Ensaladang talong or eggplant salad is a very quick and easy recipe. You can boil or grill your eggplant and then mix it with chopped tomatoes, onions, and garlic. Drizzle it with calamansi or lime juice and season with soy sauce and ground pepper. For 50 pesos, you already have more or less half a kilo of this eggplant. Enjoy! Number 6. Sizzling tokwa or sizzling tofu is a very straightforward dish. It is tasty, quick, and easy to make. Fry the sliced tofu, add the soy sauce, onion, garlic, mayonnaise, red chili, and spring onions. Mix it all together and put in a sizzling plate. This 50 pesos dish can already feed a family. Number 5. Ensaladang gulay or vegetable salad. Ensaladang gulay or vegetable salad is a known dish in the province here in the Philippines. It varies in different vegetables depending on what locals have. Simple version of our dish is a combination of boiled spinach, ladyfingers, and eggplant. Top with chopped tomatoes, onions, and chili. Drizzle with calamansi or lime juice and season with salt and pepper. 50 pesos budget, this is absolutely in. Number 6. Ginisang sitaw or stir-fried string beans. Need a quick and easy plant-based recipe? Try ginisang sitaw or stir-fried string beans. Heat the pan, add chopped onions and garlic. Toss the chopped string beans and season with soy sauce and pepper. Your quick 5 minutes and string beans worth of 50 pesos can feed your family with a healthy lunch. Number 5. Ginatang langka or jackfruit in coconut milk is also one of our all-time favorite. We have a lot of vegetables that goes along well with coconut milk, but jackfruit is the one that bears fruit all year round. We can also buy this in the market in packs and already chopped. Your 50 pesos worth of this dish can already be shared by 2 to 3 people. Down to our final 4, sopas or noodle soup. Here in the Philippines, we can see this served in the karinderya in the morning or snack meal in the afternoon. It is like any other noodle soup. Cook the noodles, add in your veggies, and season it with salt and pepper. Budget-friendly 50 pesos for your family's healthy meal. Number 3. Lumpiang gulay or vegetable egg roll. Lumpiang gulay or vegetable egg roll is another favorite of mine. Here in the Philippines, you can buy one for 10 pesos and others also offer 3 for 20 pesos. Mung bean sprouts, shredded cabbage, carrots, onions, seasoned with soy sauce and pepper, wrapped together and fried. Perfect with seasoned vinegar. Down to our top 2. Our all-time favorite, pancit guisado or stir-fried noodles. Noodles recipe vary, but they tend to take their shape based on whatever you tossed in. Our plant-based version is quick and easy. Stir fry your chopped cabbage, carrots, and beans. Add water and season. Toss your noodles. Wait for everything to cook and you're done. Budget friendly but definitely healthy. Going to our number one, lugaw or porridge. In some countries, porridge is a thick, soft food made from oats, boiled in milk or water, eaten hot for breakfast. But for us Filipinos, it's different. Lugaw or porridge here in the Philippines is cooked rice, added with seasonings. Easy to cook as well, and absolutely very cheap that we came up with the saying, tubong lugaw. That means returns that far exceeds its investment. We usually eat this in the morning, but can be eaten in any part of the day since it's a rice base. We often pair it with fried tofu or vegetable egg roll. Absolutely satisfying. And there you have it, our top 10 plant-based yummy recipe under 50 pesos. Hope you enjoy watching this video, and if you do, please hit the like button, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you'll get updated on our next video. Till next time, thank you.